Rust is the enemy of all metals that come into contact with oxygen. Sooner or later, machines, the hull of a ship, and for example steel beams, but also your balcony railings can be infected by rust. But you can do something. With Epoxy by BRUNOX. The corrosion will be removed and metals protected. Because we wouldn't want this beautiful MG to rust away completely, would we? First of all, remove the loose rust completely, which you can do in two ways. With a firm steel brush, or with an angle grinder with a special grinding wheel. All the loose rust is removed now, so we can start now to apply the epoxy. We can do this with a spray nozzle or with a brush and roller. Keep a distance of 25 centimeters, move smooth and evenly, so you hit the surface precisely. Dries off straight to black. It may be that you need to do this more often until you get a nice shiny black and consistent layer as you want it. That was the can. And now for the brush and roller. Alright, remember that you leave a drying time of at least 2 hours, but if it's already finished drying as with the MG, this coat has 24 hours to harden before you can start the finishing. As you can see, this is a final coating layer. Now please don't rough it up again, because then it's opened and the rust attacks again. The primer can be recovered immediately, or if there are dents, they can be filled and then covered. But what exactly does this epoxy do? The filling liquid attaches to the neutralized treated rust layer, an organometallic iron compound. The resulting black layer forms a rust protection and is the base for new lacquer, putty or various spray paints. So it's actually a rust converter and an undercoat in one. BRUNOX Epoxy is available for consumers and professionals in brush cans with 30, 100 and 250 millilitres. Also in 1 and 5 litre cans and in spray cans of 150 and 400 millilitres. BRUNOX Epoxy eats rust, protects iron.